So today we're going to be taking a look at a screen protector for your Apple Watch Series 4. Stay tuned. What's up everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and if you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button, turn on notifications at the end of this video. Okay, so this is the Apple Watch Series 4, and I didn't make a video about it, but I did go back to my iPhone. There's a lot of reasons why I went back, but that's something for an entirely different video. But today I want to talk about this watch, and I put a screen protector on here and why I believe the Skinomi screen protectors are the best you can get right now for the Apple Watch. So if you've ever had an Apple Watch before, you'd probably know that there's a lot of really bad screen protectors out there on Amazon. They all have really good reviews, but then when you get it, you find that they just don't work the same way as the review says they did. I've used Skinomi screen protectors before on previous Apple Watches, so I know they do work, and this is no different. Actually, I think this is easier on the Apple Watch Series 4 because it's a little bit larger of a screen, and the curve on the edge of the screen isn't quite as drastic, which makes it easier to install. Now, this is a wet application, which means there is a liquid that you have to put on the screen. You have to wet the watch itself before you go to install, and you have to wet your hand. Now, this is a process that takes the most time, and obviously a lot of people can get this really wrong if they don't let the adhesive tack up before they try to lay the screen protector down. Anytime I'm doing a liquid screen protector, especially on the Apple Watch, I recommend a heat gun, and I recommend that you put it on the lowest setting. Now, if you don't have access to a heat gun, a hairdryer, again, on the lowest setting will work fine. That just allows you to tack up the adhesive, and then also allows the screen protector to mold just a little bit easier, so that way you can fit it around those corners. Now, the Skinomi screen protector, once it's all installed, it dried on absolutely perfect. I've been using it for well over a week, and I've had zero issues, and I can't even tell it's there. It's not showing any signs of peeling. The touchscreen is as sensitive as it ever was, and the clarity of the screen looks just as good as it did without. Okay, well, maybe not just as good. Obviously, if we want to be super critical, it's not going to be the same as not having one there, but it's pretty damn good and it's protected. All in all, for $8.99, you get 6 screen protectors, and I'll be completely honest, the first one I put on, I screwed up. So if you screw up the first one, you screw up the second one, you still have more to work with. And if you're patient with it, you can get an end result that looks just like this. And really, I'm pretty happy with it. I don't think you can go wrong. And for a very small cost, you can protect the face of your screen. And I'll include links in the description below. If you want to go ahead and check this out for yourself, go ahead and drop it a like, comment down below if you picked up an Apple Watch or you're intending on picking up an Apple Watch and you found this video helpful. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Stay original.